Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today I'm testing a Saeco espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. So yeah, I've pulled several shots at this machine and I can't get it to malfunction. Well, I did get it at first. At first I needed to prime it by running the hot water over here. But then after I primed it, it's been working just fine. This is like the 5th shot. Looks pretty good. And I haven't adjusted anything. Test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.